Level up your English. Understanding, leveled up. Hello, English learners. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting phrase that you might have heard in games, at work, or in casual conversation, leveled up. Understanding such phrases is key to enhancing your English fluency and sounding like a native speaker. So, let's dive in and learn what it means to level up in different contexts. The term, leveled up, comes from gaming culture. In video games, a player levels up by gaining enough experience points to reach the next level. This often means the character gets stronger, gains new abilities, or access to new challenges. It's a milestone that shows progress and achievement. But leveled up isn't just for gaming anymore. It's used to describe improvement or progress in various aspects of life. For example, when someone gets a promotion, they've leveled up in their career. Learning a new skill can be described as having leveled up your expertise. Overcoming a personal challenge? That's leveling up your life skills. It's about reaching the next stage in a journey, personal or professional. Let's put leveled up into action. Here are a few examples. After hours of studying every week, I've finally leveled up my English. She leveled up to a management position within just 2 years at the company. I think I've leveled up my cooking skills. Last night's dinner was a hit. Notice how leveled up can be flexibly used with different verbs and nouns to describe progress. Leveled up is part of a family of expressions that all mean to improve or advance. Other phrases include step up your game, raise the bar, or advance to the next stage. They all can be used to describe enhancement or progression. There you have it, friends. You've just leveled up your English by learning all about the phrase, leveled up. We hope this video helped clarify how you can use this term to talk about progress and achievement in English. Keep practicing, and don't forget to use leveled up when you achieve your next milestone. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.